Hi everyone. I'm going to be going over question number 8.2 from the chapter 8 bingo problems. Now this problem gives an example of someone throwing shot put. And so the shot put weighs 7.3 kilograms, the initial velocity is 15 meters per second, and the angle that it's thrown is 40 degrees above the horizontal. And it wants to know the initial x and y components of that shot put's momentum. So the way we do this is through our momentum equation, which is that the momentum, or P, equals the mass times the velocity. Now, since we have an angle in here, we're going to need to break that into components. So we'll start with the momentum in the x direction, so P sub x, is going to equal the mass, which is 7.3 kilograms, times the velocity, which is 15 meters per second, times the cosine, since it's in the x, of the angle, which is 40 degrees. When we plug that into our calculator, we get that P sub x is equal to 83.9 kilograms times meters per second, which is the units for momentum. So there's our x component. Now we need to find the y component. And to find the y component, it's really similar. Call this one P sub y. We do the same thing, but we use sine instead of cosine since it's in the y direction. So we end up getting 7.3 kilograms times 15 meters per second times the cosine of 40 degrees. When we put that into our calculator, we end up getting that P sub y, or the momentum in the y direction, is 70.4 kilograms times meters per second. So this one was pretty quick. That's it for the problem, but I hope you learned something. Hope you learned how to break these momentums into the the momentum into the x and y components. So once again, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.